Thank you very much. Today I will give you an overview of Huawei's open source journey for the past 6 years. We are in the new digital world where every business becomes digital business. And this new digital revolution will fundamentally impact 2/3 of global economy. As a foundation of this revolution, the ICT cloud transformation has been accelerated across the 3 layers of internet transformation. Start with telecommunication internet, then move to the data center cloud transformation. In the next 10 years, much innovation will happen in the so-called industrial internet layer, where many devices, man-made devices, will be digitally transformed through sensor, mobility, and so on. So now, the new norm of this new digital economy requires the openness, collaboration, and sharing. And successful business for the company is how to participate and to build ecosystem foundations. Now, this is what happens, okay? If you look at the Huawei, about 6 years ago, we made a strategic decision to embrace this ICT cloud transformation, expand from the telecom sector to enterprise IT and consumer sector. If you look at it from product perspective, we possibly have the broadest product portfolios as described underneath across these 3 sectors. Each of these products is also in transformation for abstraction, programmability, and so on. And if you look at Huawei from more solution perspective, all newly formed solutions will consist of the newborn platforms along with the underlying products. Okay, so this is what we have invested in these platform technologies. Okay, and this shows we have 6 platform initiatives over the past 6 years, ranging from video, IoT connectivity, infrastructure, network, and so on. Now, we are in this what we call digital economy, which also described as a platform economy, where the platform revolution fundamentally empower the whole digital transformation. And now, as time goes on, we realize more significantly about this platform construct will largely consist of many open source components, which are rapidly emerging and also quickly consolidated in the open source community through the industry. And here you see the successful open source initiatives, as you can see clearly across the infrastructure, platform, analytics, networks, and operation. Okay, and this is why over the past 6 years, Huawei made a strong commitment to contribute effectively in the open source community, and where we can quickly learn and contribute through our active engagement. Here just show you some of our leading position, our major contribution across some of the major these open source communities, such as we are top 2 in Hadoop contribution-wise, and top 4 in Spark, and also in top 4 to 5 to 8 in OpenStack, were by different measures. And more importantly, we also initiated as a founding member of some of these high-priority business perspective open source communities, such as we are the founding member of Cloud Native, okay, CNCF, as well as for NFV, OPNFV, for SDN on Honest, and for orchestration across IT and CT for OpenO. Now, for the next slide, I want to show you, in addition to open source commitment, we further long-termly committed to become a key platform ecosystem player through the recently established 3 programs. The first is the Huawei Developer Forum, run annually. Last year in China, it's our first event where we have more than 10,000 attendees, and where we officially announced we'll spend $1 billion invested to build this developer ecosystem. The second program is our Open Lab Partner Program, okay, where today we have more than 10 open labs across the world with more than 600 partners, okay, and especially with the leading carrier in many of the new innovations for the solutions, okay, within a multi-vendor ecosystem environment. The third program is what we call Business Solution Alliance programs, where we define our boundary on the ICT infrastructure so we can build a strong business trusted relationship with our partners, okay, to empower their valuations. So we can move quickly in an agile, lean manner. As soon as solution is identified, deployed, we can quickly deploy across the world. Now, in this last slide, I want to show you some early business success, okay, and which is related to this platform initiative, along with these underlying products. Okay, and for instance, in the data center infrastructure and platform area, our brand name we called Fusion Sphere and Fusion Stage, logic based on open source like OpenStack, Cloud Foundry, Docker, and Kubernetes-like. Today we have more than 2,500 deployment, more than 1.4 million VM machines installed, okay, over the 250 data centers across 100 countries. And more importantly, last year we officially launched Huawei Cloud Services platform in China. We also strategically partnered with Deutsche Telekom to build, integrate, and operate their so-called Open Telecom Cloud in Germany. And the second one, as you can see, for NSN, SDN, NFV domain, where Agent Network is our brand name for SDN, and Cloud Core, Cloud Edge for NFV solutions. And based on the open source, as you can see, components largely, where today we have more than 60 joint innovation projects, okay, engaged with more than 20 leading carriers. Last year, we have 9 commercial deployment in this new area. The third one is about big data, which we call Fusion Insight, largely based on Hadoop Sparks. Okay, today we have more than 200 commercial deployment with 500 projects in progress. Now, the last one is IES as an example, which is our digital operation transformation platform, built substantially built on same as the others, the open source DevOps tools, where we actively engage with the 3 leading carriers for the commercial deployment opportunities. Now, to conclude my talk, I would like to say our journey of open source engagement and commitment has been very rewarding and fruitful from both technology, business perspective. Okay, empower our R&D team to quickly engage with this new technology development and build our solutions in the new digital ecosystem, which further convince our Huawei executive to continually to participate, to actively engage, and to work with all of you together and to form this ecosystem foundation together for the success of this we call ICT cloud transformation. Thank you very much.